Have you ever been betrayed, hurt, or disrespected? Your first instinct might be to get even, to strike back, to make them feel the same pain they inflicted on you. But what if I told you that the best revenge isn't anger? It isn't confrontation. It's something far more powerful. The ancient Stoics had an answer, one that leaves your enemies powerless and elevates you beyond their reach. Revenge is often seen as payback, a way to balance the scales. But according to Stoicism, true power doesn't come from retaliation. It comes from mastering yourself. Instead of wasting energy on those who wronged you, imagine transforming that pain into unstoppable personal growth. Imagine using every betrayal, every insult, and every setback as fuel to become stronger than ever. In this video, I'll share the ultimate Stoic approach to revenge, one that will make those who hurt you irrelevant in your life. Number 1. Indifference is the ultimate power. When someone hurts you, they expect a reaction. They want to see you suffer, to see you break. They feed off your pain. But what happens when you stop giving them that power? The moment you refuse to let them control your emotions, they lose. Marcus Aurelius said, "The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury." This means detachment. Move on. Let them drown in their own bitterness while you rise above it. Indifference is not weakness. It's the ultimate strength. Number 2. Success is the greatest silence. The Stoics believed that true revenge is simply living well. Imagine the person who doubted you, watching as you succeed, grow, and thrive. Without them, they wanted you to fall apart. They wanted to be the reason you suffered. Instead, you rise, you grow, you achieve things they never imagined. Show them they were never an obstacle, just a lesson. Number 3. Control what you can, ignore what you can't. Epictetus said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." You can't control what people do. You can't control their betrayal, their lies, their cruelty, but you can control how you respond. Every time you dwell on past hurt, you give them space in your mind. You let them live rent-free in your thoughts. Take that power back. Redirect your focus. Build yourself. Improve yourself. The best revenge is not proving them wrong. It's proving yourself right. Number 4. Master your emotions. Master your life. Anger is a chain. It ties you to the past, keeping you trapped in a cycle of pain. But self-control? That's freedom. The Stoics trained themselves to feel nothing toward those who hurt them. Not love, not hate, just nothing. Picture yourself, unshaken, calm, unaffected. Your silence louder than any words. The less you care, the stronger you become. Number 5. Live so well, they become irrelevant. The ultimate revenge? A life so fulfilling that they become a distant memory. They expected you to crumble, to beg for their approval, to be consumed by anger. Instead, you thrive. That's the Stoic way. You don't just move on. You rise above. You build a life so incredible that their existence becomes insignificant. Number 6. Your peace is their defeat. At the end of the day, the best revenge isn't about them. It's about you. The more at peace you are, the less their actions matter. The moment you stop caring, you win. The greatest power you can hold over someone who tried to hurt you is to make them irrelevant. They don't deserve your energy. They don't deserve your attention. Let them fade into the background while you move forward. Final thought, the choice is yours. Revenge is a trap. It keeps you focused on the past instead of the future. The Stoics understood this. That's why they didn't seek revenge. They sought wisdom, growth, strength. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever been in a situation where you wanted revenge? What did you do instead? Drop a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Stay strong. Stay stoic.